OMG Auto Mould is a tooling company. We basically, our core business is tooling. We also do component supply or product supply. But mainly this is tooling. We make tools for automotive, appliances, electronic components, everything. I am Nandakumar, Director of Home Galaxy Group of Companies. We are here at this Pune Tooling Expo. We have multiple tool rooms, multiple business verticals in tooling industry. So we are a versatile tool room. So infrastructure is very big. Whenever a big project comes, so we can handle it in a better way than others. Initiative taken by NTTF. NTTF is my alma mater. So I studied in NTTF, Dharwad, 26 years back. So it is a very good initiative and lot of support, and they are bringing bridging the gap between the customer and the tool maker. So for that, it is a very good platform and it is helping us in a big way.